For the occasion of Rakhi, we have come up with Suji ke Gulab Jamun. They are very delicious and perfect for the occasion of Rakhi. So let's get started. Into a pan, take around 1 teaspoon ghee and melt it properly. To it, add 1 cup milk. Give it a boil and add 1 drop yellow food coloring. It is optional, you can add or you can skip. Give it one more boil. And add half cup sooji. The measurements should be proper. Then add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. It's optional again. It's just for the fragrance. If you don't like it, you can skip it. You should cook it until it looks thick enough. Yes. It should look something like this and much more thicker so that you can make a dough out of it and knead it properly. You can see it should look like this. And then we're gonna let it cool. After that, add 1 pinch soda and 1 teaspoon corn flour to give it a bind to make a ball. Yes, and then knead it very properly. You can knead it with a spoon or a spatula, and you can also knead it with your hands. First, I knead it with the spoon, and then I'll knead it with my hand. You can add 2 teaspoon of ghee here and again knead it really properly and make a soft dough out of it. Now make small balls out of it. You can make long shapes also. You can make long shaped ones also, but we are making both to show you. You can depend as per your choice to make as the shape. Now fry all the balls until they get golden brown. Yes. You can see they should look like this. Now to make a chashni or a sugar syrup, take 1.5 cup sugar and 1.5 cup water and melt down the sugar in it properly. Then to it add around 1 drop yellow food coloring, and again it's optional, you can add or you can skip. Give it boil और आपकी चाशनी एक तार की होनी चाहिए. You can see like this. Then dip all the fried balls in the chashni and coat them properly. Then cook it for 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. You can see. And there you go with your delicious and perfect Suji ke Gulab Jamun. If you like this video, then of course like, share, subscribe and for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to spice up your world. Follow us